Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a payment on Renaissance Dental Insurance. We will also put links in the description below for low-cost dental insurance plans for you to check out. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. Now, let's get started. Open the website, renaissancebenefits.com. At the top right part, you will see an option for Ren Member Portal. Click on Ren Member Portal. Next, log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payment. At the bottom part of this page, you will see a section for Make Payment. On the field provided, enter the amount you wish to pay. After entering, click on Continue. A pop-up window will appear clarifying the amount you're about to pay. If it looks good, click on the Accept button. Next, select a payment method. You could choose either a credit card, savings, or checking ACH. After that, click on the Pay Now button. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to link the selected payment method. And that's how you make a payment on Renaissance Dental Insurance. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.